Hello everyone. Good morning and good afternoon. So I'm going to present a demo, a walkthrough of a demo which consists of SD to RAR flow along with the COPA reporting. So how this COPA can leverage the things from RAR perspective to understand the profitability using COPA tools. So we know like we can use COPA to derive the profitability by different dimensions like sales organization, sales order, several other things. But adding the RAR flavor, so what we are going to show now is I'm going to show a demo where you can see profitability of RAR contract or POB or POB type. So this is something we developed in our system and I would like to show that. So let me share my screen. Okay, so I'm going to start from creating a sales order to show you how the data flow happens between SD and RAR and COPA. So I'm going to create a sales order which contains two line items so that we can have two POBs and RAR. So I'm going to use an existing sales order just to make the things fast. So here I'm going to use two items. So one is going to represent hardware, the other one is service. So we have some revenue, discount, and cost assigned to each of these lines. So it has its own SSP. This is for hardware line, and the same thing goes with service line. So we have specific cost and SSP, and it has some revenue and discount. So the second line, which is service, is mainly to deal with time-based revenue recognition. So we have start and end date for 1 year from April to March. And I'm going to save this sales order. So 721. So I'm going to manually process this sales order to RAR to create the contract for it. So this is the contract which we created, so which consists of two POBs, one for hardware, other for service. And so you see there is an allocation effect, and we have revenue recognized, revenue allocated accordingly. So I'm going to do the delivery and invoice it. So these steps will not change. This remains same. So let me do the PGI. So we have some proof of delivery concept. Let me confirm the proof of delivery. And I'm going to do the billing for this. It's not saved. I'm going to bill this. So both the items, I'm going to bill both the items. And I'm going to process these raw items to RAR. So now you would see some revenue recognized on this POBs. So you can see a revenue of 136 and 1417 has been recognized on each of these POBs. So now we are going to run the postings for this contract. So that's where the COPA profitability values gets posted. So this is a 3-step posting job standard by SAP. We'll just have to run these manually here. The third step. So this is the job where it gets an accounting document gets posted. This is the document number ending with 418. So let's explore the document. So this is the document. So basically, when you go to the document environment of this accounting document, so you will see two profitability analysis documents generated, one for each POB. As we have two POBs on this contract, we see two POBs. So you see this data like company code, sales are. So this is the data that you get to see irrespective of RAR. But what you see, the additional dimensions are here, the contract. So this is the contract that we ran the postings. So 580. This is the contract, and the first POB is 5139. So this is the POB, and this is the POB type hardware. And now these values, the values that we have posted, the amount has been recorded against these three dimensions. And you can see the revenue gets updated on the same COPA document. So this is a 46. This is the RAR allocation effect. You can similarly go to the other POB, other profitability analysis document, and see the second POB is updated here. POB number 5140 and service. So we may cross check that with here. So this is the POB. And similarly, the amount has been updated here. So this is how it looks. And if you would like to see the profitability report, like if you wanted to understand the profitability of this contract, so you may explore the COPA reports. So here is the one that we created. So the sales order that we created is 721. And you execute this report. So here you have the options to navigate, on which dimension you want to explore your profitability analysis. So these are two products coming from sales order. So if you like to see your profitability by RAR contract, so you need to click on contract here. And this is your, this is the profitability of this contract. Like what is the sales revenue, what is the total deduction, and your net revenue, cost of goods sold, gross profit. This is the gross margin. So we didn't have any operating expense for this, so it shows 0. And your operating profit also remains same because there is no operating expense. So you would be able to explore and use this information for your managerial reporting. And you can click on the POB type. So this gives you the profitability of your each POB type. So how each POB is performing in your company. So these are the numbers. So if you like to see the hardware, you can just drill down to the hardware, and it shows which POB has this information. So POB 1, which is hardware in our case, has a total recognized revenue of 136, which you can see here. The recognized amount for first POB is 136, and that's what you see here after the direct sales discount. And this is the cost of goods sold. So this is your gross profit. So similarly, you can explore different ways. Like you can click on the POB. So it will show the two POBs linked to this contract and the sales order that we executed. So you can double click on the each POB to see your profitability for that POB alone. So you can also have multiple reports. Like this report shows the values with respect to one sales order. So you can define the reports in such a way that tells you the overall profitability by different dimensions. Like this is a report which shows all the contracts and sales orders. So if you want to see your profitability of each of your POB type, so you can analyze the POB type by just clicking on them. So these are the numbers for POB type hardware. So hardware is maintained on all these POB types. So it lists out what are all your POBs and contracts for this POB type, and you can analyze the data as you need it. So this is effectively helps your management to take decisions of how the a product or POB is performing in your company.